Please follow the instruction for installing signature on Outlook. At first you need to open Outlook, then File, then Option, and then Mail, and click on Signature. Then create a new signature. Demo signature name is my signature. Okay, then OK, press OK, and then OK, and then minimize the Outlook and open your signature file. And here you're showing there is two files, one is HTML file and one is source file. Then click on signature source file, double click and select all. For Ctrl F for select all and Ctrl C for copy. Then you need to go on local disk C and then user and your username. Then you need to show all hidden files for organize, then folder and search option, and then view, and then show hidden files. Okay, then you showing the app data, then roaming, then Microsoft, then the signature. Here you showing the my signature we create on the signature file. Then delete the others two file, delete, and open these on a notepad, any notepad, and Ctrl A and delete, and Ctrl V for paste, and close. Then open the Outlook and then new email and then signature and click on my signature. Then you showing here is all okay and the link is almost okay. Thank you for watching.